very happy to be back at the Ploughing Championship. It's many years since I was last here as a kid, running around in muck and rain and complaining about traffic, but I really have the muscle memory today of what an amazing experience it is here. And we're seeing that with young people coming to the tent here on row 14, stand 275, telling us all morning about their Gaisce experiences and walking away with fabulous merch and swag. But we're also talking to parents and guardians and grandparents who want to see the young people in their lives taking up this challenge. So come talk to the Gaisce team here at the Ploughing Championships over the coming days.